Hey there, I'm Tammy at All About Living, and today we're going to make a sausage skillet dinner. Quick, down and dirty, easy, minimal ingredients, just like I like it. I made Randy sausage biscuits and gravy, and I had bought this big 2-pound pack because it was on sale of the Smithfield sausage. So now I need to use it because I forgot to stick it in the freezer. I stuck it in the fridge, so now it's got to go. Simple ingredients. You're going to need some dry macaroni, some sugar, some tomatoes, some tomato sauce, salt, some chili powder, some green peppers, some onions, sour cream, cheddar cheese, and sausage. First order of business, we're going to get this stove turned on. We're going to get a medium flame. Going to get that skillet hot. And then we're going to start loading it. My kids, all my kids, really enjoyed this growing up. And, you know, I could have this on the table in 30 minutes. Stop by the store, pick up a loaf of French bread, give them some garlic toast, and boom, dinner done. With the exception that my daughter absolutely hates onions. I mean, hated them with a passion. But what she don't know won't hurt her. I used to take the onions and run them across the grater, which would make them so fine that once they were in the dinner, she never knew they were there. So it's not the flavor of the onions, it was just, I guess, the texture, because I still got away with putting onions in it. That's the way you do it, just mince it up. Okay, we're going to get this pan loaded. We're going to start with that sausage. And we're just going to get that sausage broke up and get it brown. And then we're going to add those couple of packs of veggies over there, that little bit of bell peppers and onions. Okay, I'm about halfway brown. I'm going to go ahead and add those peppers. And I'm going to add the onion. And we're going to get it all brown together. That'll take probably, I don't know, 4 or 5 minutes. Okay, my onions and peppers are soft. My sausage is done. So we're going to add our tomatoes. And I'm using stewed tomatoes, but you can use any kind of tomato you like. Okay, and then you're going to need 1 can of tomato sauce. Or if you have V8 juice, you can put that and fill your stew can up and use that tomato sauce. And we're going to add that can of tomato sauce. And I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of sugar. And the reason I do that is to cut the acidity on those tomatoes. I'm going to salt to taste, which means I'm probably going to put around a ½ teaspoon. I'm just going to go around once. And then I need a whole teaspoon of that chili powder. And I may add more, I don't know. Sometimes I do, and sometimes I don't. Okay, and we're going to get that all incorporated. Just move it round and round and round till you get it all mixed together. Just keep right on mixing. And if you want to break those tomatoes up so they're not quite so big, you can do that too. Okay, I broke those tomatoes up just a little bit. All right, now I'm going to add 1 cup of macaroni. Okay, let's get it covered. Then we're going to turn it down to a simmer. And in probably 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, y'all, I'm about 10 minutes in. And I'm going to give it a check and a stir. And I think I need just a little bit of water. So I'm going to probably put about a cup of water in here. Then we're going to give that a good stir. Put that lid back on. And just keep cooking on a simmer. Okay, we're at about the 15-minute mark. And what I want to do is just taste that sauce and see if I need to add anything, any chili powder or salt or anything. I can add it now. And I'm not adding anything. I think it's perfect. I'm just really now waiting on that pasta to get done. As soon as the pasta's done, then we'll add that sour cream and be on our way. Okay, I'm at that 20-minute mark. And my pasta is almost done. But I think I'm still going to add another touch of water. I'm not going to get crazy, but I don't want it to stick. I want it to be real nice and thick, but I don't want it to stick. So I'm going to add just a little bit more water. Okay, just about half a cup to finish cooking my pasta. Give that a good stir. Put that lid back on. Give it another 5 or 6 minutes. Okay, I just did one more taste test. I'm at the right at 30-minute mark. So if I said 20 minutes earlier, I lied. About 30 minutes to get that macaroni done. Now in my defense, my macaroni is probably 2-3 years old in that jar. And that may have something to do with it. So just keep checking your pasta. And now we're going to add that sour cream. We're going to give that a good stir and get it all mixed in. Okay, I'm nice and warm now. My sour cream is all incorporated. I'm going to turn that off. And we're going to plate that up. Now what you do is get you some French bread or some light bread. Put some butter on it. There you go, a one-pot meal, 30 minutes and under. Absolutely wonderful. Chow down. See y'all later. Bye.